Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here for another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to choose or select a picture as your desktop wallpaper on your Chromebook. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump straight into it. So all you have to do is open up the launcher menu and search for settings. Best result should come back with settings. Go ahead and open that up. And then on the left side, you want to select where it says wallpaper and style, and then select where it says set your wallpaper and style. And now if you go down here where it says wallpaper, just click the little arrow to the right to open that up. And then you can select my images if you want to add any images you have saved on your computer. And then you just make that selection, and that's pretty much it. So, as always, thank you guys for watching this brief tutorial. I do hope that was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.